Is it plausible to be friends with your ex?
Eating food out the booth, let's get ratchet. Chicken wings, collard greens, let's get ratchet. Yams and macaroni and cheese must be smacking. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, ayy. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, ayy. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get.
What's poppin'? It's your girl, Lex the Legendary. How many syllables is that? Lex the Legendary. 6 syllables. And it's an even number. What's poppin'? Anyways, it's another episode of Ratchet Reviews. Your girl gotta go and travel to her co-host / cousin. We're gonna try out this new restaurant. I'll tell you the name when I get to where I gotta get to. But I just wanted to come on here and say what's up, y'all. Let y'all know what's going on or what's popping. What's up? Got your cobbler in a cup, period. Anyways, first of all, let's acknowledge the teeth. If you haven't watched my video yet about my gingivectomy that I got done on these choppers, feel free to click the link down below and go watch it. But after you watch this video, it's me, y'all. Ratchet Reviews coming at you right now. Dang. Come on, Vominos. Everybody, let's go.
Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Shit, I don't know.
Where are we going?
Shit, I don't know. But we gonna find this diva out. What's poppin'? Okay, so I made it to my cousin's house. We just ordered food to go pick up so we can do this Ratchet review. Meow. That's our cat. Hottie. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Period. Period. Where are we going? Where are we going?
We are going to Who's Got Soul, okay? Talk about soul food.
Talk about it. Get into it.
Get into it.
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything. My teeth still hurt.
You're tired. Put that in
I'm tired.
Okay.
It's like I'm exhausted, but also I want to be drunk. So,
there. Hey, we can do both.
like,
Good.
get into how cute she looks. She looks like a salon.
Get into it.
Wow.
A vibe.
Period.
A vibe, okay?
I don't have ugly people in my family. We'll see when we get there, cause it's gonna be a little minute. Just a little minute. But we here, y'all. We at Who Got Soul Food, honey. And we waiting. I got to start putting my camera up in front of my face because don't nobody want to see my double chin.
Period. That's
Period.
I'm ready to eat.
I'm hungry. Where the food at? Talk about your food may not be ready. It needs to be ready because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. My head hurt. My mouth hurt. We ordered this junk like
It's crazy.
45 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Talk about your food may not be ready.
I don't know if she said something to me or something to Imani. I was like, girl, I will run you over clean, okay? Boop, boop. Put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it. Get out my face.
We see you when we get in the car. I'm tired. I'm tired of holding this camera.
Where we about to eat at?
We about to eat it.
Say bye until we get this
Be angry in a second.
Hey y'all.
Y'all know we out here looking for the hood niggas. We out here looking for the hood niggas. So y'all. I look real. Black.
Black? Yeah, go ahead and get the black. Real black.
Real black.
We'll see y'all in a minute. We tired. Bye.
Hey guys, how you do? So we went to Who's Got Soul in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I've ate there, she hasn't. So a few things I want to get off my chest.
Please clear it
First
up.
things first. When I go, this was before Corona, and I used to go during the weekday for lunch at work. Now it's Corona and it's a weekend, so the main thing that I like is their cornbread dressing that they apparently don't serve on Saturdays, which is ridiculous because that's probably one of their most sold items. And then we ordered online because when I called to place the order, they said just go ahead and order online. So we went to do that, and I'm thinking the wait is gonna be nothing. You go in and you get your food, but we had to wait just with everybody else that was ordering when they got there. So it was a mess. And then they forgot my sweet potatoes, but you know what? I'm so hungry. I'm not gonna worry about it.
Didn't even feel like going inside.
Didn't even feel like that's how hungry I was.
We contemplated for 2 minutes and was like, we don't even know if they done, if they just gonna give it to us, if we gonna have to wait for it. And at this point,
hey, no. We waited, what, how, like 30 minutes?
yeah.
Once we got there, and mind you, like I said,
We ordered like 45 minutes in advance.
Yeah, we've been placed order when we were like home, and it's like 20 minutes away.
25 minutes.
I'm a little irritated, but I'm also a little hungry, and I know their food is really good, so whatever. So I got turkey wings, rice, mashed potatoes, and pinto beans, and cranberry sauce, extra gravy, and banana pudding.
And I got turkey wings, rice, mac and cheese, potato salad, cranberry sauce, extra gravy, and I think it's red velvet cake. It got nuts, so I'm gonna assume that it's red velvet cake. It looked real red, so.
Alright.
Get the camera so they can see it. I have a mustard. We don't fuck with that. But
yeah, we not with that. My grandmother don't put mustard in her potato salad. I know you're lying.
right, it look good though. It look good. It look
So,
good. I don't know about turmeric rice.
I don't think I've had that mac and cheese. Did I? I think I
It look a
tasted
little
it.
dry.
I think I tasted it.
God bless the food, righteous seed, there's perfect curse, and blessed food, she's amen.
And then I'm gonna try the turkey first. Well, I already know what the hell it tastes like.
Right.
My mom made good turkey wings too, by the way, period. Shout out to
Make
Yogi.
Good turkey wings. I don't really fuck with turkey wings like that though.
How's the mac and cheese?
That's good. That's good.
It do look dry, but once you get into it,
Color.
yeah, it's good.
It's good. That's baked macaroni and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Not that chicken wing stuff.
I still haven't had that. So what do you give the mac and cheese?
I'll give it a 9. It's pretty good.
A 9.
8.
Pretty valid.
And macaroni and cheese was good. 8.
I'm gonna do cranberry sauce.
This macaroni and cheese good.
Mm-hmm.
They homemade or is it?
I think it's homemade. Rice is okay,
Let's
but
talk about that. So apparently they don't serve stuffing on Saturday. Just mashed potatoes. It said mashed potatoes they serve on like Monday and Saturday. I'm upset because I really wanted to try it.
it's upset me and my homegirl.
What she said? Because what the hell?
Like
Yeah, that's homemade as hell. It's good.
the cornbread dressing made me want to cry. Yeah, that's valid.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really kind of scared about the potato salad because
It does look a little.
it's a little mustardy.
I don't like cornbread that's not sweet.
Not for real. What's the point?
Mm-hmm. Valid.
It's good. It look good.
And very valid. The pinto beans are definitely give it like 8.5.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't really eat pinto beans like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what they supposed to taste like.
Delicious. Mashed potatoes, they like mashed potatoes. Taste the mashed potatoes.
I got some egg in here. You like that? Yeah, I'll give it a 7. It was one person's potato salad. It tastes like they dumped sugar in it. Like, it was nothing but sugar.
Some
It was
people
really
sugar.
sweet.
The
So
rice alright.
yeah, the rice is okay.
I like soft rice.
It's got a little texture to it.
I just wish it was.
Man,
And the thing too, like even during the weekdays, they'll run out of cornbread dressing at like 12:30. Food Castle also has really good barbecue chicken. I'm big dark meat, so
yeah, me too. I don't like breast.
ugh,
I like legs and thighs.
period.
That's it. But is it plausible to be friends with your ex? Topic. Talk about it.
I'm very borderline because once you an ex to me,
That's it.
it's okay. That's it. We don't have no type of communication or anything like that because I don't play that. I'm going to go with.
It's plausible.
I'm trying to think the ex that I'm really friends with. I feel like I've only parted amicably with one, and that was a long time ago. And yeah, it's enough. Cause I don't like y'all. So
I think I don't know. I'm one person that I give a lot of chances. I probably shouldn't. But I feel like if we can move past whatever it is that we went through, at some point we can be friends. And I'm okay with that. Like, it doesn't bother me. And I think it is possible, just depending on the situation. Like, if that nigga was cheating, it's a no for me, dog.
I'm good. I'm good, love. Enjoy.
And if we at any point decide that we're gonna be friends, it's gonna have to be like way in the future. Like
On my turn.
way in the future, cause
I just don't see it for y'all.
it's not.
Shout out to all my exes though, who just don't see it for y'all. It's dead.
You heard it here first.
Okay. Y'all know not to text this phone. No, let's go for all y'all.
All of them, they're mine.
Don't think, oh, maybe I can just put, no. In general, all y'all. Like, it's a no.
Okay.
My exes get on my nerves.
What else?
And then think about it too, like, I'm real hard on the rekindling. Like, say if you break up, would you date your ex again?
Would you? It all depends on the situation for me. How serious is the situation though? Like, for you to break up and then get back together? Like, is it like y'all disagreed on something, or is it cheating?
Both. Like, because I'm more prone to shut all lines of communication down. Once I move on, there's no you trying to come back and talk to me. There's none of it. Because I don't feel nothing for you anymore. Like, once that part of me is gone, it's done. Like, good luck to you though.
I'm good loving.
Good luck. I'm praying for you to win.
From afar.
Yeah, but once I don't feel nothing no more, like once I don't have any type of attachment or anything like that,
It's done for.
yeah, it's a goner.
I don't know. I'm different.
Cause Lawrence and Issa giving y'all niggas real life hope.
Not for real.
Issa needs to run me my coins. If you gonna write a show based on my life, you need to run me my ducats. Okay?
It's so relatable. Like,
Cause I'm not. She's been writing about this on my life from the beginning of times.
Not
And I'm
real.
really not with it either. So you know what? I don't support it.
I love that show. It's so relatable. And I think that's why I like it so much, because like they have real conversations that you would have with your best friends, real scenarios you would have in your relationship, real things that happen in the workplace. Like, I just love it so much. good. I really fucks with Insecure.
If we Mirror Daniel back, y'all let me know.
Fuck Mirror Daniel.
Whoa.
I already
I will not
told
stand for
you.
it.
I don't. That man is not cute.
He looked real good in The Purge.
He did look good in The Purge.
Period, because he was some drug dealer like.
That adds extra flavor.
Where are the hood niggas at? He was fine in The Purge, okay? He was running through the projects with the guns blazing. It's my type of guy.
That's her type. She like
Have a type.
illegal niggas.
Man,
Illegal niggas.
they're more fun.
Man, this would be so much fun if we was like brunching. I want to go brunch
We
and I
going
want to do like
outside.
truth or dare.
We're
Like
like
open
brothers.
outside for real.
Whew, free me out the because they not finna open back up.
I want to brunch.
Let me try this.
Banana pudding.
Yeah, see what this is. I make pretty good banana pudding. All my friends can vouch for that. So we'll see about this.
Mine too. I make it the same way Nana makes hers.
Period. Only way to make it. Let's see. It is good.
It's good.
You gotta taste it.
I don't want to see my regular cooking there. Who don't think that cookies go in banana pudding? I'm sorry. I'm not eating bananas in pudding.
You know, who's on them?
Yeah, it's good too.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. One day we was having a potluck and this lady at my job, when she used to work at my job, she brought banana pudding, right? And I was like, oh, I love banana pudding, let me try it. I was pissed. So I chewed, no, it was like, you know, everything, all the ingredients, but when you bite the banana, it was like sour. And I was like, why is the banana sour? She was like, oh, I soak them in lemon juice so that they don't brown.
They're supposed to brown.
To scream.
They're supposed to brown.
So now I try easy with people banana pudding because
I don't eat everybody.
that was a little absurd.
I mean, I'll try anything, but I try to stay away from people with banana pudding. I'll try anybody's macaroni and cheese. Except for if it look like it got sand on it. I'm not eating that.
Don't give me no crust.
Who puts breadcrumbs on mac and cheese?
I'll leave it to it.
It's a no for me, dog.
No.
Where did I miss that?
Oh, relationship wise, I can tell you what signs I will date and what signs I will not date.
I'm not a sign person though.
I am. Because there's truth. I've dated like the same signs and dudes and they wind up like, yeah. So, I would date a Scorpio. I like that. I will also date Libras. I like Libras. Libras are very nice. I'm actually compatible. Okay, so with my birthday being on July 26th, I'm borderline Cancer Leo. So Cancers are compatible with Scorpios, and then Leos are compatible with Sagittarius and Libras. I've dated all three, and it went pretty well.
All three of them?
Mm-hmm. But if you date a Sagittarius, they're gonna be the death of you. Just FYI. Let me just give you some examples. Jay-Z is a Sagittarius. Offset.
Oh, these are all good examples. Wow.
So yeah, if you date Sagittarius guy, good luck to you. Scorpios are nice. I don't know if I can date Aquarius guys.
I've talked to an Aquarius. Nothing.
Aquarius guys come off very needy. I don't like needy dudes.
Not the Aquarius I talked to.
I'm just like, no. I won't date any Cancers. That's not gonna happen. Hella hot water. No.
I'm a Cancer.
I was talking to Brianna the other day. Brianna said Cancer men are a hee-haw hell no. Okay? Brianna gave me the rundown, so I already know. Shout out to Bri.
I've dated a Gemini, Cancer, cusp, literally. Like the day Gemini's in and the day
That's bad.
Cancer
That's
start.
bad. That's bad. I would return that. Yeah, no, I couldn't do that. I would probably cry.
Yeah.
No.
I've talked to Leo. That was okay. Actually, yeah, that was fine. An Aquarius, it's a he haw hell no for me. I'm currently talking to a Pisces.
I have a lot of Pisces friends. I don't know if I could date them, but a lot of my friends are Pisces. They're real everywhere. Like they're...
If you're watching this, which I know you will be.
They are, but they're fun. They're fun. I can say that. A lot of my friends are Pisces.
That is why you have fun
fun.
with the laundry, because the laundry.
Yeah, me and my girl, we gonna turn up. Laundry, where the liquor at? Where the bottles at? Let's get it, okay?
Y'all both aggravated.
Yeah, no, Pisces are really fun. I have literally like a ton of friends that are Pisces. Taurus are cool. I don't know about Taurus men, but Taurus when your grandmother's a Taurus.
My mama's a Taurus.
Period.
Both of them.
Stubborn, very stubborn.
Both of them.
Very stubborn.
Both of them.
My best friend is a Taurus, and I love her. She's amazing.
Who's next?
Go, 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 go.
Who's next?
Go, 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 go.
Let's play song association. But okay, word. Light. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Give me the green.
Hey!
Give me just one.
I'm ready to go right now.
Hey, I'm ready to go right now.
That was good.
We could go. Yeah, he did that. Okay. Love.
I've been trying not to do new songs. You got me singing those songs. You got me singing those songs.
Just a heat. I just went straight for love.
Period. So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how.
You're like, where the food at?
Look at this fat cat licking my
This
dog.
is Kobe. Kobe is a very large cat that acts like a baby and whines. I could probably binge him.
He look like Bishop.
Help! He said help.
Sorry, friend.
Okay, let's rate the food. Overall.
Oh, wait. Ratchet, really.
Oh, Jesus.
Ratchet,
Yeah, you
really.
can all your
Ratchet, really. I'ma give it 8. In average, it's like everything was pretty much an 8, so I'm gonna give it an 8.
That is fair. The cornbread dressing would have made it a 10.
I'm gonna try it next time. But I mean, their potato salad was better out of a lot of potato salad I've tasted. So,
And the turkey was good.
the turkey was good.
Even the skin.
What else was good though? I didn't taste the cake. I'm gonna taste the cake real quick.
The banana pudding was good. I haven't tasted that.
Off
And
the
the
bat,
wings always
this joke
good
was
one.
moist.
That you do. What else I had? Mashed potatoes. I said mashed potatoes. Can't really mess up mashed potatoes. I would hope
No,
not.
for real.
I would hope not.
It's alright. Alright guys.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Period. We about to go. We appreciate y'all for watching. We appreciate the views and the future views we gonna get. Tune in for other segments. Legendary vlogs. Design with Lex. Wine Chronicles. And Ratchet reviews. That's it. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Hope you come in to and join the family. Like, comment, subscribe. Like she said, make sure you follow us on our socials. We appreciate y'all, and we hope to see you next time. Love you guys.
Bye.
Peace out.